Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Right now I've got the opportunity to step outside and test fire this new Aero Precision 224 Valkyrie that I built a few weeks ago. And daggone, we've had we've had horrible ice storms around northern part of North Carolina where we're at. So my long range field where I used to test fire stuff has got a whole lot of trees around it, all trees all over the place. It's going to take us a few weeks to get that cleaned up. So the best I can do right now, I'm kind of curious to test fire this thing, is we're behind the shop at a 50-yard range. So we're going to give that a whirl and see what it looks like. I've not fired this gun but a couple times just to try to somewhat zero the scope in. The best thing I'm looking for right now is to see what kind of grip we can hold. I know 50 yards is not much, but right now it's the best I can do. So let me put some ears on here. And I think we're using the 90 grain deer hunting ammo, and we'll see how it works out. We've got, what is this, probably 45 degrees out here right now. A nice breeze in my face. There is a good crosswind blowing, so it'll be a little bit curious to see if it's going to make a difference at all as far as the grouping goes. So get my ears on here, and we'll give her a shot. All right, here we go. All right, I tell you what, daggone, that thing is real easy to shoot. It's very little recoil felt at all. The trigger is nice, very little movement on the trigger. I like my CMC trigger there. But let's go take a look at the target and see what we got, okay? Okay, we're walking down to the target now, and we'll get the camera close-up shot of it and see what we have. I know it's not very far, but it's not a bad grip, I guess, for what it is. And honestly, my hands are cold, the wind's blowing. It's not the best conditions in the world. But you can see we've got a fairly tight grip up in here. So I could definitely, believe, take an animal if I wanted to with that gun. Hopefully in a few more weeks we'll get the range cleared out where I can do some more, a bit longer distance shooting. I know we can stretch out to 200 yards at least, maybe more. But once I get the trees up, right now, honestly, it's just too much of a mess to deal with it down there. So anyways, I tell you what, that gun shoots so easy. I know between the muzzle brake that we have on the front of it, from the Fortis red brake, the cartridge itself, not a lot of recoil anyway, and the really cushy buttstock we have on it, it's done a good job. I like it so far. But we'll stretch it out sometime in the near future and see if it does the same thing. And hopefully I can get a tighter group next time. It's a bit chilly right now, and that's my excuse anyway for not being a single whole group. How about that? Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you later. That's it, Bubba. Bolt stayed back that time. What'd you think of that trigger?
She's smooth.
And how the whole thing feels?
It's smooth.
Very minimal movement, right?
See, I guess I pulled a little bit on the first shot, and it came up a little bit off the bullseye, so I just started holding the dot on that top hole where the bullet was, see if I can tack it in there.
All right, let's see what happens. All righty, so there's where we got that time with Mr. Keith shooting. Not bad. Need some practice.